Hi guys, the name is Tsubasa. Welcome to my channel and to another of my add to cart adventures. In this video, we are going to unbox another item I got online. So I got this yesterday and I'm so excited to try this out. So I'm going to open it now. And inside is this one. It's a salmon pink, almost rosy color box. It says Get Smooth Crystal Hair Remover in rose gold at the back. So instructions, it is basically everywhere on YouTube, but it says clean the crystal hair remover with water and soap, then allow it to dry. I've seen a video that she patted it dry with a tissue or a towel, and it leaves a little bit of white marks on it, so we'll just have to air dry it when we clean it. Prepare your skin by also cleaning with water and soap and drying with a towel. Firmly place the hair remover on your skin and move gently in circular motion, cleaning off any removed hair from the tool as you go. It's first in the Philippines for fingers and toes, arms and legs, back and chest, butt and bikini line. I'm afraid to try that one. Note, if you have sensitive skin, try it on your arms, legs before other delicate parts. Not recommended on underarms and facial hair. So it is okay on butt and bikini line, just not on the underarms and facial hair. Basically, I bought this for my legs. I am not really conscious about the arms on my hair, the hair on my arms. I don't care about them. It's okay for them to be there, but on my legs, I want them away. So I like wearing skirts and shorts, and I don't think they look that pretty on my legs. Like, although they are not man hairs, you know, the curly ones, they're straight, they're going down, they do what they do, but I just don't like them there. I wear short sleeves on my arms, but I'm not really bothered of the hair in my arms. So I got this mainly for my legs, and I'm going to open it now. Ta-da! Ta-da! So it's very rose gold. Yay! And there's a plastic. There's nothing inside, no instructions or something. It's all in the packaging. And I nearly dropped it. So if you have ever touched a hairbrush called the Tangle Teaser, it's basically like that. It feels like that. So if you put a Tangle Teaser here and I close my eyes, I cannot identify if that is a Tangle Teaser or this one, because they practically feel the same. Almost, okay? It feels just like stone, okay? It's not rough at all. It doesn't have that feeling of spike. It's not spiky. It's just basically it's not as smooth as phones, but it's not very rough. So stones are more rough than this. As I've said a while ago, I've seen a video where she cleans this one with water and soap, and then she dabbed tissue on it, and the white remains of the tissues got stuck on there. So I'm very thankful of that video, because I will just dry it by air or like this. I don't know. Maybe I will not put it near a tissue or a towel, because I don't like things to be in there aside from the hair and the dead cells. I will be kind of irritated when I will see the not so out of the color stuff. So it was not a good idea to do that one, I think. So yeah, we'll just air dry it. Very thankful for that video. Your crystal hair remover got damaged before mine, so yeah, I'm very thankful for that video. But I'm really excited to try them out, and I will show that in this video as well. But I'm going to try it later on, because for some reasons I don't like to go to the bathroom right now, rinse my legs because I have lotion on it, and then do it, and then yeah, like it's like the whole stuff's going on. So I will show it on a different day, maybe later on. So I really wanted to get this for myself, although the price is quite high. It's about 1,800 I think, or 1,900 or something like that. But I really wanted to get this for myself, although it is pricey for me, because I wanted to remove my hair on the legs, and that's because I've been removing the legs on my hair. I never shaved my legs and never used razor on my legs because of the rumors that says that it makes your hair thicker and make it twirly. So I've never tried the razors at all. So I buy on the tube the Veet ones, or sometimes the other brands that removes hair like in chemical form. Like you have to stay it for 7 to 10 minutes or 8 minutes, something like that. So I've been doing that for years just to remove the hair on my legs, and it is very pricey actually. If you add all those prices, it would surpass the price of this one. So I'm really excited to try this one because I'm just going to buy it once, okay? So it's going to be 1,900 for many years, I believe. I'm also going to try it on my arms to see, because I have actually a lot of arm hairs than my legs. So I'm going to try it out in here also. And I have this peculiar belief that if I have hair on my skin, the lotion and the other stuff I put on my skin doesn't go directly on the skin but on the hair, when there is the whole science of it that I don't want to look into. It's just my own belief, so I could be wrong, I could be right, I really don't know, but that's just my peculiar belief. So I really wanted to remove the hair on my legs for aesthetic purposes. For this video and this product. I hope you like my review and my haul, or whatever you call these videos. But I really hope you like it, and if you do, please hit the like button. Also, if you have questions or comments or whatever you want to say, please leave it in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified if I will be uploading a new video. So once again, that is it, and I hope you doing well. Always be blessed and be a blessing. Bye!